We are at week 28 of the Warm Springs Enhancement Project. We are seeing our first signs of winter as we near the end of October. Currently we're up at the top of Challenger right now. We have a lot of finite work going on in this terminal. We're doing a lot of work inside the building and the terminal, getting electrical prep and final mechanical alignment done. This week and last week has been a big week with getting the haul ropes on both lifts. On Tuesday this past week, crews from Dolphinmeyer and Sun Valley got the squirrel rope spliced and hung on, and today we're currently working on getting the Challenger rope spliced, and we'll be looking to put that on the towers in the next few days. Overall, the top is Squirrel. We're doing a lot of final mechanical prep, and over the next few weeks, as we begin the commissioning phase of these lifts, there's going to be a lot of electrical work going on. But we are nearing the end. The end is in sight. We're happy to get these ropes up. Weather's starting to come in. The crews are performing phenomenally, and we're excited to see what the next phase of Warm Springs is going to bring us.